In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Binance through Google, navigate to the spot trading area, open the MeMe USDT market, and reach the Buy MeMe panel with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Binance into the search bar. On the results page, look for the official Binance website and make sure the address is correct before you click. You should see the secure domain ending with Binance.com. Verifying the URL is important to avoid phishing sites. If your region redirects you to a localized version, that's fine. Just ensure it's still the official Binance domain. Once you're on the Binance homepage, look toward the top navigation. Find the trade option in the main menu. Hovering over it or clicking it will reveal several ways to trade. Choose the one labeled Spot. Spot trading is the most straightforward way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices without leverage. This is perfect if you're simply looking to purchase a token and hold it or manage it in your regular wallet. Inside the Spot interface, you'll see charts, order books, and a trading pair selector. We're going to open the MeMe USDT market. MeMe is the coin you're interested in buying, and USDT is the stablecoin you'll use to price and settle the trade. If you don't see MeMe USDT listed right away, use the market search bar to quickly locate it. Click Meme USDT to load its chart, recent trades, and the order panel dedicated to that pair. With the Meme USDT market open, locate the trading panel on the right or bottom of the screen, depending on your layout. Select the Buy tab for Meme. Clicking Buy MeMe will focus the panel where you can prepare your order. Here, you'll typically choose between order types like Market, which buys immediately at the current price, or Limit, where you set a price and the order fills when the market reaches it. You can enter the amount of meme you want, or the amount of USDT you want to spend, and you'll see an estimated calculation before you proceed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Make sure you're signed in to your official account and have USDT available in your spot wallet before you buy. Double-check you've selected the correct trading pair since different pairs can have different liquidity and prices. Review fees and confirm the details in the order panel so there are no surprises. That's it! You've navigated from Google to Binance, opened spot trading, selected the MeMe USDT market, and reached the Buy MeMe panel, ready to set up your order securely and clearly.